And yeah, I went around with a hose and cleaned the back driveway part here, because there was a bit of dust that got on there and got her down the drain there, and basically I used that hose right there. So, you know, just leaving everything in the shape that we found it. Well, here it is, number 18, and this is Friday afternoon. I haven't started boarding yet, but what I have done is I've opened up these holes that were being made, and I've put backing in, or subframing I would call that, actually. Sort of like subframing or backing, but yeah, this way now we can cut the whole board. And it goes there, you know, cutting half and half on stuff like that. It's kind of iffy, really is. So I always like to do the proper backing on something like this. It was cut away. It was almost cut too far right there, because if it goes the other way, like if it goes that way, the cut goes that way too much farther, there'll be no support behind the board, which can lead to cracking even if there's no weight on it or anything. It's kind of weird. But here we are, we've got all the backing, we've got it going all along here. That's what I'm talking about. And over here, backing, you need backing. So we've done that. I've taken this whole wall off here, because the vapor barrier was actually, the seal was broken in here, and it was just easier to take this off. I'm going to re-vapor barrier this area now that I've put the insulation in. And I created a whole lot of mess. Here's another piece of backing that needed to be there. Oh, and there's one there I still haven't got, but that would be the last one. In fact, I got a board right here though. We'll make her work with that somehow. I'm gonna leave that for tomorrow or something, because I'm kind of getting out of here right now. But in here, what I'm talking about, I mean, it was a funny little hole down there with no backing in behind or anything. And I do have to actually put backing in on that, on those two sides, or cut it half and half, but I'm just gonna get the backing and do it. So I need 2 more 8-footers or something. But anyway, all up here now, everything is good. I've taken stuff all the way back, so we've got backing, we've got board. You know, and here I had to cut around the light over to, and I had to cut half and half on the board, just like that, so that I could actually put the board on and have something to attach to. I was told by the owner, or the lady running this, that this doesn't get done by me, and that this doesn't get done by me. It's all going to be some sort of a shower guy's job. And over here, this, you know, the board was cut here, and it was like over in the middle of here somewhere. So I just cut the whole board back, and I put the backing on, so that now we can put whole boards on and things go smooth. And here I had to pull off a whole bunch of stuff up along the top too, because they had it up about there, like right in there. Somehow it was just cut there and no backing, so I just would have been a shit show. We're not doing that though. We're doing a good job. And here, I actually had to cut this wider, because the ceiling here, right, had been cut back so far. Had been cut back so far that it was just over that piece of framing there. Therefore, I had to cut it there so that I could get that whole board in and be nice and solid. And then over here, of course, I had to clear out a whole bunch of stuff. And I had to take this board out here too. This one right here, because it was over there, Actually, they had it, where they have it, they had it cut right about there or something, so I just cut it all the way over to this stud, put my backing on, there we go, and I've re-insulated it. I'm going to be vapor barriering that again, new vapor barrier. I used almost all of the old, there was only a couple pieces of insulation left after I used most of it. I'll probably find a place for that. And up here, of course, we got our backing in here, backing plates, stuff like that. And the mess I had to clean up was atrocious. Of course, there's a whole lot of it right there on the floor is what I made. Plus all this metal edging and stuff, and metal corner bead. I just had to take it off. It was crap. Rusty, you know, when it's rusty and metal, you can't fix it. So anyway, now we're going up here. I'll show you what I'm talking about up here. And there's another pile of crap I just created because I had to pull those metal corner beads off. And of course I cut this out properly so that now we've got backing over there, and I'll put a little piece of backing in there. And this actually has to be cut all the way over to here because you can't fool around in here where the pipes are. And that's where that stud is. It's right against the pipe and I can't put anything in there, so I've got to go over there. So that's what I'm doing. And anyway, yeah. I'll bring the board lifter on Monday and I'll be boarding Monday. If I get it done in time, I'll even put fast set in it and pre-fill it. So anyway, once again, this is the only part I have to actually board is from there over. And the tile guy, or the, I don't know what he's putting in. The guy putting the shower in is going to do them walls too. I just have to have this done to that corner. So we're putting new corner bead on here and new corner bead on there. So that's where we're at. We're now ready to come in with some board. And the board's here. So we'll be boarding Monday. There she is. The place is a bloody mess. Look at all this crap in here. Look at the crap outside. We gotta get this shit out of here, but anyway. So, there we go. Lots of neat stuff to look at. I love this. Okay. Holy fuck, guys. This is gonna be a lot of work, guys. I'm gonna love it. That'll be great. It's great, it's great, it's great. I can't wait, I can't wait. Oh guys, oh guys. I find carrying all the tools on me all the time to be very cumbersome. It makes things so hard I don't want to do it, which is why we have, you know, some in a pouch and some hanging around. To be understandable. And it really, holy fuck, guys. I mean, holy smokes, guys. Whoa, eh? Hey, here's the morning I came in, Monday morning now, after working two days in the weekend. Not full days, but close. Oh, we got her all ready to go now. All the mud's on, all the angles are done. They're looking pretty darn nice. All the corner bead is on. The fan is on. And everything is done. We got the angles. And I'm just gonna load her up here and turn all these fans on. Load all up this in the middle. Turn them big blue fans on. It's gonna be good. Sort of a mess right now, but okay, here we go. Okay, we're looking good. We got that part of the ceiling down. We got that. We got that. We got this. So now we're on the last bit of the ceiling because we've also got this part down to the door now. Believe me, man, lots of fun. And then just down, all the way down to here, that piece and that piece.